How's it hanging, pals? It's me, Mandy Girl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're doing a tutorial that was requested of me a while ago. I didn't get to it yet, and now here we are. My cool little pop art look right here. As you can see, I only did it on half of my face there, and I think it would be cool just to see like the difference between a blank face and the pop art look. So I'm gonna be doing that today. So I'll only be doing half of my face in makeup because I also have not learned how to do a full face of pop art type makeup yet. Maybe we'll get there eventually. But for today, this is what we're doing. Let's get right into it. Hey there friends, editor Amanda from the future. I just want to preface this video saying I'm gonna be roasting myself a lot throughout the video in little like text cards and notes at the bottom of the screen because what was up with me when I was filming this video? It was my first day of work after a month. My sleep schedule was fucked. I was exhausted when I was filming this tutorial. I'm gonna say now that I forgot mascara at the very end of it and didn't realize it until I was editing. So add mascara to your looks, people. But yeah, I'm gonna apologize in advance and I'm just letting you know. But otherwise, I feel like this look came out pretty okay. So enjoy. Okay, what I think I've decided to do is that I'm gonna do the pop art here on camera, and then I'm gonna do what the makeup would look like just regularly, like the way that I do my makeup off camera. That sounds like fun. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Cool. So of course, as you see, I already put on my moisturizer, and now time to prime with my Wet n Wild primer serum and my e.l.f. poreless face primer. I have so many pimples on my face that hurt today, and I want to throw something. I don't understand why they gotta be so fucking painful. And then putting on my Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer to cover up the spots underneath my makeup. And then just tap it in just a little bit. Next, I take my two Sephora foundations, both in Clara Light, number 8 and number 16, and mix them together. I just mix them together on my hand. I've been using a lot less foundation, and I like the way that it looks. Like, I like that it's covered, but that, you know, it's not like a little cakey, because I feel like my makeup used to be just a little bit cakey sometimes. And then my Bright Future Sephora concealer in 1 Bavarian Cream. And then putting the concealer on my eyes. And then setting it all with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Setting Powder. Now here's where we're gonna leave this side alone and hop into the pop art stuff on this side of my face. So to start, I'm going to be doing my brow, which usually I would use my Milani brown color, but I will be using my NYX liquid liner to do my brow and the other details on my face. Specifically because the pen liner that I have, that's not the nice one that I use for my eye. I ran out of it the other day, like it dried up or whatever. So we're gonna be using this one today. So you're just gonna take it, line your brow however you want it, however dramatic, however just true to shape that you want it. I'm probably gonna be going a little bit more dramatic. Not dramatic, but like a little further off my brow than I usually would. Just for the sake of, honestly. Sometimes I wonder how much more powerful I would be had teenage Amanda not plucked out the entire fronts of my eyebrows when I was younger because I thought it looked weird and that it shouldn't be there. What the fuck was teenage Amanda on? And then as you line it, you can either fill it in as you go or line the whole thing, fill it in. You can take your strokes however you want. It's whatever is easiest for you. I personally like to either line the whole thing or at least line it a bit and then fill it in as I go. Today we are filling it in as we go because I have not done this in a while. And then also I'm going to round out the front of the brow. Next thing we're going to do, using the same liner that we were using before, is draw in the little details all around the face for the outlines of stuff. So the first thing we're going to do is put like a little like indent line up here. Since my eyebrow this time has come a little further in than the last time I did it, I'm going to follow the outside of the line instead of just the line itself of the crease for my eyebrow. Perfect. And then next we're going to be drawing a line down and around the nose and then also around the end over here. And then next we're going to be drawing the line up around here for the cheekbone. So it goes straight and then kind of curves off a little bit. And then for now, we're going to just do a line around the top of the head and the jawline. Cool. Now we're going to be doing the eye portion. So very simply what I did with the eyeshadow is I took my favorite blue color, which is this blue on my Morphe 35B palette, took a flat brush, and just put it on the lid of my eye. I think I might go a little bit higher with it this time, but I'm gonna start on the lid and then see from there. I think I'm gonna leave it as it is. Now, I'm taking my NYX retractable eyeliner in the white color and lining the bottom of my eye with it. Not the waterline, which I will put some on the waterline, but putting it right below the waterline to give a bigger eye effect. Okay, so that didn't do what I wanted it to. So instead, I'm gonna take my NYX white liner, the liquid liner with the painty tip, and do the thing that I wanted to under my eye. And just go like just up against the edge of your waterline. Like not on the waterline, just on your lower lash line. as I'm going along, I'm getting some of the liquid liner on my eyelashes and I'm just brushing it off with my fingers because honestly, what else can you do? Now that we have that, I'm going to put the crayon type liner on my lower lash line so that it kind of matches more evenly with it, and hopefully this does exactly what I want it to, you know? Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. H2O proof eyeliner pen and do a liner and wing off the top of the eye. Next, I'm going to take my NYX retractable eyeliner pen in the black color and then line underneath the white on the bottom of my eye. Next, I'm going to take my white liquid liner again and do a couple of highlights on my face. In the crease of the eyebrow, on the edge of the nose here, and that's it. And then lastly, we have the red lipstick. I'm gonna be putting it on my whole lip for the sake of, you know, I'm gonna be replicating what this would look like in my regular stuff, in my regular makeup on this side, so they'll both need red lipstick, but only half of it is gonna have the extra, like, bullshit of PopArt. Now that we have the lipstick on, we're going to very gently take the retractable eyeliner in black and outline the PopArt side of the lip. Okay, so no, we're gonna take the NYX liquid liner again. I keep flip-flopping because I'm trying to remember how I did this, and this was not how I did this. And then after that, you're going to take the white liquid liner and we're gonna make two highlights on the lip. One at the top and then one sort of in the middle-ish at the bottom. And then finally, as I'm thinking about it, I'm gonna do one last line around on my chin over here. And then I'm quickly going to do the other side off camera. And here we go. This is the result of me doing PopArt on one side of my face and this on the other side of my face. My regular makeup. If you want to, you can add like white dots going down the face. I don't feel like I have the right things to do that right now. I wanted to try that, but the white liner, the liquid liner that I have is really small. I wouldn't want to like put it on my face. I have janky ass circles all over my face. It's just not the kind of day that I want to have. But yeah, this is the finished product. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!